Hello, everybody. It's Vanessa Choi here, your favorite marketing strategist and funnel creator. So today I want to do a really quick video for you and to show you how you can actually use Canva AI to write content. When I say write content, it's actually give you like a basic or foundation of how to write an article, for example, because it's from an AI. So you still have to manually go through and review, see whether it makes sense. Sometimes you will need to change a thing or two, okay, but it definitely gives you a very good foundation to how to actually write like an article, a checklist, a blog, or something like that. So I will quickly show you when you're on the Canva page. You can just go, you can either go here dot or start writing here because it's already on the home page. So I will start from here. And when you're on the page, you can see a plus sign. So I will just do plus, and you see magic. We actually want to use the magic, right? So because I'm doing it on the fly, so let me think. If this is for coaches and course creator, I might just do 10 tips on how to build an online course. Okay, and then I press enter. Okay, so I'll go back because it's actually generate a graphic. I'll one magic right. Okay, so I'll do it again. Right, 10 tips on how to build an online course. Enter, and this should work. Give it a bit of time because it's generated. So when you say 10 tips, it will actually give you 10 tips. So for example, if I want to do a lead magnet, I think this is a very good lead magnet topic to do a checklist. Okay, so I think 5 is a bit like less. So I think 10 or 20 tips maybe like reasonable for a lead magnet checklist. So we'll see what it comes up. Okay, run to an issue. I will try again. Not sure why. Because it's actually say you can use up to 200 words in your prompt. So you can actually give an idea of what you want to write exactly. 200 words is quite a lot. So I think this is really good. So give it a bit of time. Okay, see, I don't know why comes up with a fonts like that, but that's okay. We can change it easily. So now you've got the plan out your course, break down your course into a bite-sized topic, decide what topics to include, and map out the order in which you want to present them. That makes sense, right? So as you can see, it actually gives you 10 tips. So definitely you can follow the 10 tips here and then elaborate in your own words. That's excellent. So it's actually, if you do a bit of spacing, make it nice, I think, yeah, gather all your material, collect all the information, files, image, and videos you want to include in your course. That like basic, but it does make sense, right? So yeah, we already generated 10 tips. So now you can actually copy those 10 tips and then put it in a lead magnet and then, put it like a checkbox at the beginning. So you can actually create like lead magnet, create a fun cover, and then put this into the second page and put checkbox, or even if you just leave it like that, 10 tips. And then the last page, you want to actually put like a call to action. So what I will do, I will quickly do that and show you how you can do a lead magnet, and I'll come back. Okay, voila. Back in about 15 minutes. I use about 15 minutes to do this lead magnet. So I spend most of the time and like copy and paste here. So as you can see, it's really nice. I just need to put like a cover. So just simply design a cover, 10 tips on how to build an online course. And then this is the checklist that we generated before. So I didn't change anything. I just do copy and paste. It's very easy. I'm using like a Canva template. And then I just put in the flow myself. And then the last page, you can actually put call to action, meaning that what do you want the people to do? Join your Facebook group, or if you've got like a low ticket to sell, or you want to book one-on-one coaching call, you can put in the last page. So again, it's so quick. It probably took you half an hour to create like lead magnet, because now using the Canva AI, it's so simple. So what I will do, I will actually use this template, and then I'll put in the comment. So if you want, you can actually download this and then just adjust yourself. All right. So thank you, and I catch you in the next video.